Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Garden and Worm Lady. For those of you that don't know me, I am a worm farmer in southern Indiana. So my husband Joseph, I call him Giuseppe sometimes, we celebrate St. Joseph's Day on March 19th, and we really miss Italian pastries here in southern Indiana. We just can't get them like the Northeast. Him and I are both from New Jersey, the Hoboken area, and we really miss eating the Italian pastries, the best in New York and Jersey. So I went online and I had to find someone in the Northeast that would ship me the St. Joseph's Day cakes to surprise him on March 19th. So I found the bakery in Brooklyn, Circo's Pastry Shop. Now, what attracted me about it is not only their website, the videos that they put out saying that they're old school Italian, which, you know, old school Italians make the best pastries in the world. The pastries are amazing. They just are. So I had to place an order and they're on their way, and I'm gonna surprise Joe on March 19th and I'm gonna record it. And I found Circo's Pastry Shop's YouTube channel, and I'm gonna tag them and hopefully they'll see this. But I just want to let you guys know what I'm up to, and I had them overnight shipped. So they ship worldwide, I believe. So you got to go on their website. You can place the order, and I'm gonna film the opening of it and the deliciousness. Now, if you guys have never had a real Italian pastry from a real Italian bakery, not those frozen things you get in those big stores we're not going to talk about, I'm telling you, homemade stuff, you've been missing out. You really need to get one. Go to the Northeast, visit Brooklyn, visit Circo's Pastry Shop. You're not going to be disappointed. And just try them. Oh my gosh, I ordered also some Italian cookies. The cookies, they like crumble in your mouth. They're amazing. So living here in southern Indiana is a struggle because we don't have any Italian pastry shops around here or any Italian bakeries. So I'll bring you along when we open them and do the taste testing, okay? So, oh, I can't wait. Guys, I'm so excited. I ordered this yesterday and look what I got. I got the St. Joseph's Day cakes today. I can't wait. So it comes with the receipt. Of course, Circo's. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. And there's a card. Look how beautiful that is. It's like a sea of yumminess. Oh wow, how cool. And then it came like this. And then, oh, there they are. Let me open it. Okay, I'm gonna need, okay. So it comes packaged in this bubble wrap that's like for temperature, and it had an ice pack in it. And when you look inside, let's pull them out. Well, I'm talking low because Joseph is sleeping. And I'm so glad these arrived while he was sleeping, so he doesn't see them. All right, let's see. Wow. This is amazing. All right, let me open. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh my gosh, look at them. Oh. I got him 12 and they're huge. I didn't think they were gonna be this big. We got 12 of them to eat. Oh my gosh. I don't think I could wait till March 19th for St. Joseph's Day itself. I'm gonna have to give him these early. Oh wow. I wish I could eat one now, but I can't. Let me just sneak a little of the he won't notice. Oh, it tastes like home. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Wow. Circo's, you guys have really outdone yourself. And if this is the way your business is run, God bless you all. My gosh. Madonna mia. This is delicious. So I'm going to put them in the fridge. And then I'm going to surprise Joseph. All right, so today's St. Joseph's Day, and I'm gonna surprise him with Circo's St. Joseph's Day cakes. So let's call him out here. Okay. Hey, Joe.
¿Qué cosa, mi amor?
Can you come here a minute?
Yeah. Oh.
Hey.
What's going on?
Okay, you gotta close your eyes.
Oh no. Why?
Happy St. Joseph's Day.
Same to you? Well.
Open your eyes.
What'd you get? You didn't get it from around here.
Absolutely
Well,
not.
I haven't been there in 25, 30 years. Wow, you got this today for me?
Yeah,
That's nice.
you like
Read them
it?
out.
Go, yeah, open it.
Look at that. Nah, you
Let me
definitely
show
get
up
this from here.
close. Yeah, look at them.
Look at that. Oh, I'm snapping for one of these right now.
And, you know, you can tell they're authentic because the what is it? The pudding, not the pudding, the
custard
filling
one? Yeah.
is
I'm going
like,
to tell you authentic right now. I would
it's
snap into it.
yellowy. It's yellow.
Yeah.
That's how you know.
Well, the yellow one's like the traditional one from what I remember growing up like,
Yeah.
in New Jersey. They only made them like around St. Joseph's Day.
Yeah.
Around that week, you know. Then they started making them with the green cherry too. I don't know if it's because St. Patty's same time.
Yeah,
or
I have
just
no idea.
differentiate, I don't know. But then they came out with the canoe cream ones. I like those too.
Yeah.
And then they started making them all the time. So yeah.
So these came
Long
from
story short.
Circo's Pastry Shop in Brooklyn. I think it's on Knickerbocker Avenue or Knickerbocker Street. The address is on the cover.
Avenue, Brooklyn. Right by
Yeah.
what's that? Bushwick, probably.
Very old school Italian, authentic. So I want you to taste it and tell me.
Right on my nose. Mmm. Oh, not on. Thank you. Who can I say that?
Oh, I guess.
Mmm.
Is it good? It tastes like back home, doesn't it?
Oh, the smell. You can smell. As soon as I open it up, you smell that the sugar.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
So you see how big they are?
Oh.
I actually got
Stuff too.
I actually got you 12 of them.
Um,
Well, that's because they come in 6, but
Yeah, I could-
I didn't know how big they were going to be. You know, these days you order something and it's like really little. So I said, well, let me get 12 of them. And when I opened it up, I'm like, oh my gosh, they're so big. So anyway, they could keep in the freezer. And when we want to eat them, we just put them in the fridge or leave them on the counter for a little while. And then
they're not
there you
gonna
go.
need to go into deep freeze. And be gone. It's delicious. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey, buona festa di San Giuseppe.
See you guys next time. Take care.